what's next? So this section here, it's not really connected with WooCommerce as such, I guess, but it's a place where we can add these kind of banners that then either highlight a category, a product category, or like a product tag, or just a sub page. We can kind of have it general purpose. So, and here we will introduce a new feature like block inner content. So what we will do is we will create a block that can contain sub-blocks. Okay, so it's very simple. Just take a look. So okay, we select the section like the main parent, say block. So and it needs ID. So front how should we call it? Small banners. Front small banners. So like plural, that's like the parent. Category, custom, shop. Okay, and then we have to find an element that contains sub-blocks. And each of these will be a sub-block, so the row is the parent element that contains sub-blocks. So this will be block inner content. So allowed block types, we can say it will only allow these types of blocks, which we will call front small banner, and orientation will be horizontal. So because 1, 2, 3, that's just controlling the placeholder, like the add block plus that we see in the blocks editor. Okay, so this will be the ID of the type we will create, of the new block type. So we select the first column and we will create a new block type with the type front small banner. Not banners, but banner, one individual banner. And let's say name small banner, and category custom shop. And then let's also say that this type of block can only be used in front small banners. So we kind of connected these two block types together. The parent can only contain small banners, and small banners can only be used in the front small banners block. Okay? And now these two we don't need to export. We don't need them. We'll say do not export. And then we will make parts of this editable. So this is the image. So block attribute image full, maybe full is too much. Let's say default should be WooCommerce thumbnail. And then what is here? We have the text. So and we can close what we don't need. block attribute, so this will be title. That's all, and then the link will have the label, link label, so that's the content, and it will have link, the URL, so okay, link, use as link, link URL, link address, more user-friendly name. Okay, and here we forgot to give the title, so let's say title, and image needs a title, image, we don't need any other attributes. So yeah, is that it? So let's recap. We created a parent block front small banners that has an element that can contain subblocks, and it can only contain front small banner subblocks. And then on the first child we define the front small banner block, and it has editable image, editable name, and editable link. And on the other two columns we set do not export. So let's see, will this work? Export the theme, go here, let's reload, and can we find our front small banners? Here they are. Okay, so we have the 3 of them already, you see? And when they're nested blocks, this is handy tool, list view. So here we have front small banners, and it has 3 small banners, and we can delete 2 of them, for example. And if we want to add new one, so if front small banners is selected, we just click here, poof, and we got the new one. And let's do one more, so we have 3. Let's customize them now. We can close this and replace the image. Oh, we could promote our categories. Although to do that, it would be a good idea to also make sure that the text is visible on all sorts of images, or to prepare a special image where this text is nicely visible. So that's a content thing, not really, it's beyond what we are doing now. We don't, I'm just playing around with this a little bit. Here we can select the size of the image. So let's just use categories because we want to promote them, and we want to go into like customizing all the texts and stuff. It will get too boring, but we can simply edit. Main summer collection. And not sure why we can't edit this directly on the page. Okay, Let's save. And let's take a look. And here they are. Our small banners are where we wanted them to be. And we can customize the links and images, of course. But we're just creating the blocks here, not really setting up a proper shop. Okay, so what's next? We can do one more plain content block. It's kind of advertising block. And then we'll come to an interesting part where we create a WooCommerce block. But in the next video, we'll do this one and just skip it if it's boring or if you know already everything there is to know about creating blocks.